In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can use the timeline view in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, select one of the projects that you wish to add a timeline view. Now, let's first explain what a timeline view is. As you can see, I have the sample project. Now, currently, I have Kanban view and a list view. So what we're going to do is we're going to click here on the add view. From the options, you should see the timeline option. So click right there. Now, before fully setting it up, you have the option to choose a name. And as you can see, there are many different options that you can activate or deactivate before starting this view. So how do we use this view? For example, you can set, as you can see, it is set for today. Now, for the time period, we can change it for either 7 days, 14 days, week, and even months. Now, how would this help you? For example, what this does is you can add your tasks right here on the timeline view in which you would directly see what is the start and the end dates. It can also set and help as reminders which you can use for your project. And that's it. So if you want to support our channel, if you find this video helpful, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.